some group people they having that.
Okay.
But we love too much pork, chicken, beef. Some people they have.
There's no dog meat you eat in Thailand?
Some part.
Some parts.
Yeah, not eat. Just only one province.
You like dog meat?
I never try. But I every time.
I tried in Singapore.
Really hard.
Hard, very hard.
But I heard that this, they said it's
In
very
India,
nice.
in Nagaland, they say delicacy. They love it, the black dog. You won't find it anywhere. Eat it. But their main food is pork and rice. Gravy pork and rice. That's Naga food, good food.
And like that, I have tried one, the food one time. They said it's quite same the Thai northeast part of Thailand. Like
The
they
Thai
have,
food is spicy too, very spicy.
it's quite same, but in Thai we put a little palm sugar. Everything palm sugar. In Thailand food sour, salty, but no sweet. They have a shrimp or fish fermented. It's quite same. We call it pikapi.
We don't have a mechanism to move the camera, you know.